Tools. There are a wide variety of hand tools that can be found on a construction site. It is imperative that all tools are kept in the best condition possible. This DVD will deal with the minimum requirements to ensure maximum tool safety on a site. It is very common for workers to use tools that are damaged or that are in poor condition. Make sure that the tools that are used on your site have handles that are free of cracks and splinters, are the correct size, are correctly fitted, and are secured with adequate grip for use. This hammer has an insufficient handle. If used, the hammer head can fly off the handle and hit another person. This is extremely dangerous. Make sure that the hammers you use are suitable for the task. They must also be adequate in size and weight. Check that the working ends of tools, such as shovels, spades, and picks, are sharp and square. No chisels that have damaged or mushroomed heads may be used. The chisel head must be the correct shape and must not be hardened, nor must it be made out of reinforced steel. The chisel's cutting edge must also be sharp and square. Saw teeth must be sharp and set correctly, and the correct saw must be appropriately used for each task. Make sure never to use a hacksaw or saws with fine teeth to cut wood. This will quickly damage the saw. Some of the tools you will use on site will be electrically powered. It is very important to make sure that these tools have been checked by a competent appointed inspector and that visual inspections are also conducted on a daily basis. Make sure that portable electrical tools and their cabling are always in good condition. The cable must be insulated with no unsafe connections. Do not use a tool you are not trained to use or if it is unsafe. It is extremely important to never use a tool if its casing is damaged. View video 9, Electrical Safeguarding, in the SafeBuild DVD for more on electric-powered tools. Explosive-powered tools are very useful tools, but they are dangerous. An example of an explosive-powered tool commonly found on sites is a Hilti gun. Hilti guns use explosive charges to fire nails into concrete. Explosive-powered tools like these must only be operated by a competent person who has been appointed by an accredited authority. Someone who is not competent in the use of such tools could end up shooting other workers or themselves with these charges. Misuse of an explosive-powered tool like this can seriously injure workers or even kill them. Areas in which explosive-powered tools are used must be demarcated with prescribed legible warning signs. Demarcating an area like this will drastically reduce the chance of an incident occurring. Strict control over explosive-powered tool ammunition is a must. This must be done by a competent person who is to be appointed in writing. They will be responsible for issuing, recording, and safely storing all explosive-powered tool ammunition. The explosive-powered tool and ammunition must be cleaned daily and locked away after use. Here is a quick summary to ensure maximum safety when working with tools. Make sure all tools used in site are in good condition and not damaged, cracked, or inadequate for the task. Make sure that a competent person checks all tools on a daily basis. Only competent persons may operate explosive-powered tools, and the areas in which explosive-powered tools are used must be demarcated with appropriate signage. All issuing, recording, and storage of explosive-powered tool ammunition must be done by a competent person who has been appointed in writing.